Okay. I'm going to do the energies for the next 6 months with the cat cards. Oh my god, I'm excited to see what comes out. Ah! Okay, I am shuffling. I'm shuffling. Excited. Shuffling. Oh my god, next 6 months. Let's see what happens. Okay. Shuffling. Oh. Okay. Shuffling. 6 months. Ah. Okay. Ooh. All right, hold on. I'll flip some of these cards around. There we go. Ooh. Okay, we can't reveal from the other end, so we're gonna switch it around. There we go. Ooh. Ooh, the next 6 months. Let's see what comes out. Wow. Now this could mean rebirth too. So this might be something positive, but we're gonna leave that down and focus on the next ones. Okay, next 6 months. Shuffling. I'm gonna do like 5 cards. 5 cards. Let's see. Okay. More shuffling. See, shuffling. Okay, there we go. I cannot wait to see what the next 6 months are gonna say on the cat cards. Okay. Shuffling. Okay. The Hermit. But that could be something positive too. Okay, so we're up to 2 cards. Shuffling. Ooh, next 6 months. Okay. Spread. Pick. Oh, I got 2 cards at once. Wheel of Fortune again. Oh my god. And Temperance. Wow. Aww. Okay, so I got 4 cards. Should I do one more? Okay. So I was going to pick the 5th card. 5th card. Incoming. But then I had 2 cards for 1 pull, so I might pick a 6th too. Oop, my cards keep going flying too. Okay, cards are flying. All right, let me switch the cards around so I don't see them. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, so I am still shuffling for the 5th card, and then I'm probably going to do a 6th card because I pulled 2 at once. Let me see. Okay. The 5th card. Let me see. Wow. All right, we're going to do a 6th card. Let's see what the 6th one is. You know, these decks are getting pretty freaking accurate spooky. Pretty freaking accurate spooky. It's like, whoa. All right, let me shuffle. Shuffle. Okay. We're shuffling. I'm up to 6. This is going to be the 6th card. Okay. I'm kind of excited, but kind of scared. The moon. And didn't we just have a freaking solar eclipse that was like doomy, but yet like obvious. Oh man. Okay. So the total cards for the next 6 months, which is like totally like Spookville. Spookyville. Okay, so we got that one. And we got the Hermit. And then we got Wheel of Fortune. But that came up twice in the last week. So we're gonna I'm just gonna pause it.